As one of the leading companies in Vietnam's National Energy Development Strategy, PV Power Camo proudly contributes to the objective of developing stable electrical energy, which promotes stabilizing the socio-economy of Vietnam in general and of Camo in particular. PV Power Camo is located in the Camo Gas Electricity Fertilizer Industrial Complex, Can Commune, Minh District, Camo Province. The industrial complex has a total investment of over $2 billion, of which the two power plants, Camo 1 and 2, are over $860 million. The Camo Gas Electricity Fertilizer Industrial Complex started construction in 2001 based on the decision number 776/QD-TTG on June 26, 2001, which was a national priority project. The industrial complex started functioning on October 26, 2012. The gas fuel sources for the industrial complex come from PM3CAA gas well and Lot 46 Canuck, located on the overlapping sea between Vietnam and Malaysia, which are 325 kilometers away from the industrial complex. It includes 27 kilometers onshore and 298 kilometers offshore. National electricity system, about 8 billion kilowatt hours of electricity, equivalent to the consumption of 1.55 billion cubic meters of gas. Camo 1 and 2 power plants are equipped with combined cycle gas turbine technology in 2-2-1 configuration. Each power plant consists of 2 gas turbines, 2 heat recovery steam generators, and 1 steam turbine. Both gas turbines and steam turbines have a capacity of 250 megawatts, which were engineered, procured, and constructed by Siemens Corporation, Germany. Vietnam Lilama Corporation was the EPC general contractor. Natural gas from the PM3 gas well is the primary fuel source for power generation. Annually, each power plant consumes a maximum of 900 million cubic meters of gas, equivalent to 3.1 cubic meters per day. Distillate oil is the backup fuel. After 32 months of construction, Camo Power Plant 1 and 2 were put into commercial operation on March 20th, 2008 and December 23rd, 2008, respectively, and were officially inaugurated on December 27th, 2008. Camo 1 and 2 power plants connected to the end node of the electricity system, which is particularly important as they provide electrical energy for the socio-economic development of the Mekong Delta provinces and contribute to ensuring the safe operation of the Vietnam electricity system. For combined cycle gas turbine technology, the gas fuel enters into the combustion chamber, mixes with compressed air, and ignites at high temperatures. The hot air-fuel mixture, with a temperature of about 1200 degrees Celsius, expands and becomes kinetic energy inside the gas turbine. The kinetic energy then drives a generator that converts a portion of the kinetic energy into electricity. The exhaust gas from the gas turbines, with a temperature of about 532 degrees Celsius, continues to enter the heat recovery steam generator through 3 levels of pressure for heating water and steam generation. Exhaust heat from the heat recovery steam generator generates additional electricity on steam turbine generators equivalent to about 50% of the capacity of the gas turbine generators without consuming any more fuel. At the same time, it improves the efficiency of the entire combined cycle by about 57%. Electric energy produced from the 20 kilovolt generator set is stepped up through the step-up transformer, 20 kilovolt to 220 kilovolt, connected to the switchyard of Camo 1 power plant. It's transmitted on the national grid through 10 feeders to Camo, Thiêụ, Sok Tran, Kinh Yang,Ok Ya, and O Moon. To operate the two power plants safely and effectively and ensure long service life, the operation and maintenance of the plants must comply with the manufacturer's regulations. Moreover, the gas turbine and related auxiliary equipment will undergo minor inspections, hot gas path inspection, and overhauls at 8,300, 25,000, and 50,000 operating hours. Based on the annual offshore gas supply outage plan, periodic maintenance and repairs are carried out synchronously and cooperatively between the parties: PV Gas, PV Power, PVCFC, subsidiaries of EVN, Siemens, PVPS, and other relevant parties, along with ensuring the harmonious interests of all involved. Practical maintenance and repairs contribute to training the company's technical managers and engineers, as well as to accumulate more experience. The PV Power Camo management structure includes the Board of Directors, General Departments, and Operation Departments. General Departments consist of the Administration Department, Finance and Accounting Department, Planning and Material Department, Technical Department, and finally, Health and Safety Environment Department. Operations Departments are comprised of Operations 1 and Operations 2 Department. Party and community organizations include the Communist Party Committee, Trade Union, Youth Union, and Veteran Union. The total number of company personnel is about 250, of which females account for 10%. 70% of the personnel are university graduates or higher. Local human resources are around 35%. PV Power Camo has been effectively managing and operating two power plants, Camo 1 and 2, which are estimated to produce and contribute approximately 104.5 billion kilowatt hours of electricity to the national grid by December 31st, 2022. The company's revenue is over 150,710 billion VND, from which contributions to the national budget are over 4,520 billion VND, and the contributions to Camo Province's Social Security are over 15 billion VND. For 2022 alone, the electricity output is estimated at 3.95 billion kilowatt hours, and the revenue is estimated at 7,827 billion VND. At the same time, the company has always successfully achieved its annual production and business targets. These remarkable achievements represent the great efforts and dedication of the leadership, together with the whole staff of the company over the years, who are always unanimously facing all difficulties, as well as challenges, and promoting the spirit of creative work to make the company more and more developed and sustainable. In the process of development, PV Power Camo always seizes opportunities, overcomes challenges, fulfills its tasks successfully, contributes to ensuring the national energy security, and creates motivation for economic development and social stability. PV Power Camo has reached many outstanding achievements, such as third-grade labor medal, government's competition flag, first-grade competition flag of Camo Province for 3 years in succession, and many certificates of merit awarded by central ministries and departments. In addition to building a system of processes and regulations for operation management, maintenance, repair, and internal management, our company has also established safety management, risk assessment, and emergency response programs, etc., and utilizes management systems such as Quality Management System, ISO 9001-2015, Occupational Health Safety Management System, ISO 45001-2018, Environmental Management System, ISO 14001-2015. PV Power Camo has been making non-stop efforts to build and maintain the company's culture, as well as ensuring the harmony between the corporate value and the legitimate benefit of employees according to 3 factors: care for people, harmonious cooperation, and responsibility. These are the core values that our company always focuses on to build a friendly, fair, and transparent working environment, nurturing skillful and professional personnel. And together with PV Power, we work toward the goal of becoming the leading power-producing organization in Vietnam and the region with modern and environmentally friendly technologies. PV Power Camo, Energy creates wealth.